Welcome back to our channel, Yovaan Enterprises. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of laminated wooden flooring, from supplying to installation. Whether you're a homeowner or a design enthusiast, this video will provide you with valuable information and tips. So, let's dive right in. What is laminated wooden flooring? First things first, let's understand what exactly laminated wooden flooring is. Essentially, it's a composite material made of multiple layers of wood fused together under high pressure. The top layer is a high-quality photographic image of real wood, giving it a beautiful and realistic appearance. Why choose laminated wooden flooring? Narrator: Now, you might be wondering, why should you choose laminated wooden flooring over other options? Well, let me unveil some fantastic benefits for you. Durability: laminated wooden flooring is highly durable, resistant to scratches, and can withstand heavy foot traffic. So, say goodbye to the worries of wear and tear. Easy maintenance: unlike traditional hardwood floors, laminated wooden flooring is a breeze to maintain. A simple sweep and occasional mop will keep it looking as good as new. Wide range of styles, colors, and finishes available, laminated wooden flooring offers unlimited design. Whether you prefer a classic look or a modern vibe, there's something to suit every taste. Suppliers and installation process. Now that you're convinced about the wonders of laminated wooden flooring, let's talk about how you can get your hands on this amazing material. Research reputable suppliers. Start by researching reputable suppliers in your area. Check customer reviews, compare prices, and ensure they offer high-quality laminated wooden flooring. Consultation and measurements. Contact your chosen supplier and schedule a consultation. They will guide you in selecting the right type of laminated wooden flooring for your space and take accurate measurements for a precise installation. Professional installation. Once you've made your selection, leave the installation process to the professionals. They have the expertise and tools to ensure a seamless installation, giving your space that stunning transformation you've been dreaming of. Final thoughts. Narrator: As we come to the end of our video, we hope you've gained valuable insights into laminated wooden flooring. Its durability, easy maintenance, and versatile designs make it a fantastic choice for any home or commercial space. So, if you're seeking a flooring option that combines beauty, functionality, and longevity, laminated wooden flooring is the way to go. Don't hesitate to explore the various suppliers and installation services in your area to embark on your flooring journey. Outro: If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.